Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've acquired the absolute beast Jag XF. It's the XFS, which means it's a 3-litre twin turbo, has the S badge there, and what beautiful colour combination specification this is. It's got the black pack on, as you can see, so that's all the black grille, black around the windows, everything should be chrome, which is black really. It's also had the added extra of a black roof, that's not factory standard. It's got the front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, nice touch, that's an added extra, the rear spoiler, twin exhausts, lower diffuser. This car's been very tastefully and discreetly done. Look at it, it's lovely. Paintwork's absolutely popping in this weather. Black mirrors, black roof. Boot area is in absolutely fantastic condition. Red stitch piping, and then we've got the lovely black and red leather interior. You've got Meridian sound system, that is incredible. Electric windows and mirrors, memory seats, electric windows, electric seats. There's nowhere on the bolster. These are the upgraded seats as well. Just start the car up. All the air vents are there and they open lovely. Look at that, it's a lovely touch that is. Aircon's blowing nice and cold. It's on 92,876 miles. Sounds absolutely lovely. It's had the added paddle shift on here, well, extended paddle shift shall we say. It already has paddle shift but they extended them. Cruise control, reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors. Go back to menu here. Satellite navigation. There you go. All the GPS is working. You've got Bluetooth connectivity. DAB Sport. DAB radio, I'm off. DAB radio, my music's the Bluetooth settings and everything there. Go back to menu, climate control. This does have cooled seats as well as heated seats as well. Climate control, like I say, is blown lovely and cold. Lovely storage space, finished in piano black. Organs and a USB. It's fully loaded. It's absolutely lovely. Oh, Alcantara headlining. There's not many of these about at all. Not in this sort of condition anyway. At DJH are full dealer facilities, including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call.